Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, in my videos you can learn 사자성어. I made a video for you to understand what it is, so watch that video first and get on with this video. And all of the content on my YouTube is based on what I've been posting on my Instagram. So if you are interested to learn more phrases like this, check out my Instagram as well. In today's video, we're going to learn 과유불급. There are 4 characters in the phrase. Let's explore each one of them. 과 means excessive. 유 means if anything or rather. 불 means not. 급 means to meet or reach. This phrase teaches us a lesson, the importance of moderation. In this day and age, many of us are raised and told to have more. More money, more friends, more food, more pleasure. We adopt that lifestyle believing that will make us happier. But at some point, we realize that pursuing more only leads us to more anxiety and insecurity. That's exactly what 과유불급 means. Something that's too much doesn't do any good, just as being inadequate is not desirable. So it's important to keep it moderate, whether it's in terms of quantity, size, depth, or quality. You can pull out this phrase when you want to simply remind yourself or other people of the principle. Let's look at some examples. 피자 몇 판 주문할까? 5판이면 될까? 3판만 하자. 과유불급이야. And another example. 어제 오랜만에 농구를 했는데 너무 재밌어서 3시간을 했더니 오늘 몸살 났어. 역시 과유불급이야. There's a wide range of situations that you can use this phrase for. Whenever you feel like it's going to fit in, just give it a try. Make sentences using it and comment below. And if you want to learn more phrases like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.